Page 20. Darija, near to Riyadh, is a beautiful place full of exciting and interesting things to see. Darija is very important to us all because it tells us a lot about the amazing history of our country. A visit to Darija is a perfect choice for a family trip. You can learn about the history and development of our modern kingdom culture as you walk around the area and explore the ancient site. But be ready to walk a long way as the place is huge. A lot of different projects are taking place at Darija at the moment. Teams of people are working hard to build new places where people can live and work. Other projects are making the place attractive to the tourists and creating many new buildings and experiments. Numbers. When the work is finished, these are some of things Darija is going to have. 9 different mausoleums to choose from, 4 new metro stations to use, more than 8 new parks, 31 new mosquitoes to worship at, 16 schools for family living on the site. Darija is a special place to visit. My name is الكريم Ahmed Harbi. Bye.
الدرعية near to Riyadh. It's a beautiful place full of exciting and interesting things to see. الدرعية is very important to us all because it tells us a lot about the amazing histories of our country. A visit to Darija is the perfect choice for a family trip. You can learn all about history and developments of our modern kingdoms. Culture as you walk around the area and explore the science site, but be ready to walk a long way as the place is huge. Projects. A lot of different projects are taking place at Darija. At the moment, teams of people are working hard to build new places where people can live and work. Other projects are making a place attractive to tourists by creating many buildings and experiences. Numbers. When the work is finished, these are some of the things Darija is going to have. 9 different museums to choose from, 4 new metro stations to use, more than 8 new parks, 31 mosques to worship at, and 16 schools for families living on the site.